Hey tubers, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another really nice cargo craft we just got in stock. This one's a 2019 8.5 by 20 dragster set up for cars if needed. It's a beautiful trailer. This one is in a charcoal blackout. So you've got the charcoal exterior with all of your black trim and black accessories there. This one is equipped with two 200 pound torsion spread axles with brakes. This torsion spread axle package gives you guys an optimal towing experience. It gives you an independent suspension underneath the trailer with the torsion axle, so it's going to ride better. And then by taking those axles and spreading them apart, it can cut down on wagging and swaying that can occur. So as the trailer towing world goes, this is an optimal setup for you guys. Plus you get the really nice spread axle skirting. This one does have a nice big awning door slash escape door here on the side that you guys are looking at. Does have a window in it as well. Nice heavy duty extended triple tube tongue. So this trailer is going to have a great turning radius because of this extended tongue. It takes the trailer and pushes it away farther from your vehicle, allowing you to turn tighter. You also have a rounded front cap up there as well. 3-year factory warranty with Cargo Craft. Side door does come with double lock protection. This one does have the RV lock and cam bar on the side door here, plus you've got a nice gutter. Couple of LED light bar party lights here on the side. I love these, they're great lights. Gives you guys plenty of light here to hang out at night if you're outside at the racetrack or outside camping. This one does have power in it as well, so you've got the exterior GFI outlet located right here. Drop down stabilizer jacks underneath the back of the trailer. Rear ramp door does have spring assist close. This one also has a really cool triple strip tail lights on it. And then you've got two nice big spotlight load lights here off the back as well. And then they finished this out with the diamond plate wrap around the rear door jamb. It's just a nice feature, ties everything together nicely. Now you've got a transition flap here on the ramp. That's going to give you guys a nice easy angle coming in and out of the trailer with this dovetail in the back. Dovetail just simply means the back of this floor drops down about 3 inches instead of being straight, and again that's to help with lower profile vehicles and the angle coming in and out of the trailer. This one's also equipped with our awesome Nudo floor with Maxx. This is a bonus. It's a great floor for longevity purposes. It gives you a very durable surface here on top, and then underneath has Maxx, which is a water resistant product. That's also on the underneath side of the trailer, so it's going to last longer for you guys over your standard plywood floors. 4 heavy duty D-rings recessed in the ground, ready to go. 7-foot interior height with this unit, and it is insulated. You have insulated walls and ceiling in this unit as well. Trimmed out in the awesome silver with all of the black on the interior. This is a super sweet trailer. Now you guys have an overhead Maxx Air roof vent here in the back, and then an AC unit with heat strip up there in the front, which you guys are looking at. Great lighting options in here as well. You've got 6 puck lights, 3 on each side. That's these little guys right here. Super bright LED, very efficient. And then you also have 4 4-foot LEDs in the corners. So you guys will not have a problem with being able to see inside of this trailer. You're gonna have great light in here, and they're controlled by switches and individual switches. So you guys really can have a lot of control there. Now 2 of the 18 by 44 slider windows with screens, they are across from each other normally when this awning door is down. Or you can have it open like that and have a nice big opening. It also gives you guys a space to pull your vehicles in and out and open up that driver's side door through that awning door. Now we also have interior outlets in this unit. There's one here in the back, one here next to the side door, 2 more up front, and your 30 amp box. You guys take this cord, pop it right through the floor, go into your generator or your extension cord, however you're going to power up the trailer. And again, that's going to run your AC unit with a heat strip, your 4-foot LEDs, and your lighting package. Now we also have an interior step coming in and out of the trailer right there. Makes it easier to get in and out. Backside of the RV lock has a lock, a latch, a set of keys, and then here's some more of your light switches that will control your interior and exterior lighting. Payload capacity on this unit is about 6,400 pounds, and I will post the stock number, full description, and price down in the description below. As always, we would love to earn your business. Please give us a call, 303-688-8485. You can check us out online always at ColoradoTrailersInc.com. We're located in beautiful Castle Rock, Colorado, and we do have shipping options available for you guys. So if you don't live near us, no worries. We can get you a shipping quote and still get you your trailer. It's a very simple process. We do it every day. So give us a call again. We would love to earn your business.